Okay, viewers, here's the second review of the X Mini Wii speaker, and there's my headphones. As you can see, they are plugged into the X Mini, and now I'm going to start the music, and look at that, totally hands-free. And of course, if you'd like to get your own, I'll include some links below. And I hope you enjoyed this short video showing you how you can go mobile with your Bluetooth X Mini speaker. Okay guys, here's another review. One of the other options in which you can use your X Mini Wii, your XAM17 model. And as you can see, I have it hooked up to my receiver right here, and I would like to show you how it works. See? And right here, and as you can see, it's quite a beast of a speaker, especially when you hook it to your tuner. It becomes wireless, and what a great little speaker. Check it out. Links in the description. Okay guys, here we go again with the X Mini Wii to show you yet another application for it. Okay, all you have to do is turn it on. And if your car is not Bluetooth ready, check this out.
Start it.
Sounds pretty clear, huh? Now, this really doesn't show the full range and quality of the speaker, but at least you have some idea from this video.
Drop it.
And there you guys go. This has been another tutorial explanation on how to use the X Mini Wii speaker. Thanks for watching. Descriptions are in the link below to get your own.